into alleged vote fraud led by Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge began at Karnataka and has now extended to Haryana, Bihar, Maharashtra and other states. He stated that irregularities such as vote shifting, deletion of voters from scheduled castes and backward classes and monitoring communities and multiple voters at single locations were uncovered. Shivakumar added that Congress party workers have gathered over 1.21 crore signatures as a part of nationwide campaign to expose the alleged fraud. He affirmed that the party commitment is to continue its fight against election malpractice and safeguard democratic integrity.
Rahul ji and Mallikarjun Kharge Saab, they took up a major investigation on this vote chori. On Freedom Park, they came to Bangalore. Before that, a press conference was being conducted here. Initially, they took from Karnataka, from Mahadevpura. I think now it has gone to Haryana, Bihar and different parts of the country. I am very happy that the AICC made a very big research team, worked very hard and found out the irregularities which was being done by in the voter list and vote chori. So after Rahul ji came to Bangalore in the Freedom Park along with Mr. Kharge Saab, Venugopal ji and our Sujiwala ji from Karnataka, they explained the situation, how this has been happened, and we all knew that. So I would like to thank and congratulate some of the media team who have done a personal investigation apart from what Rahul ji spoke. You have went to the houses, you have went to the brewery, you have visited various shops, where in one shop 88 votes were there, in brewery 56 votes were there, multiple names was been found, and different type of angle they wanted to, the voters was being theft. In some cases, in some constituency, there were shuffling of voters. Suppose in one assembly segment there are 2,40,000 votes. 2,40,000 votes would have been there. They have shifted it to different booths. Say here one gentleman is there, one DCC president, Mr. Hanumantrayappa. In one Rajarajeshwaran constituency, I am telling you. Particular community vote, they have shifted to different, deleted their name. In 5 names, some ex-community is there. 3 names would be there, 2 names would have been shifted out. Scheduled caste, backward class, minorities, all voters have been deleted. Like that, the entire state was being done. Before the assembly election, they hired one Chilme institution. That is one of the biggest scandal in the history of Karnataka. We found out, and some of the bureaucrats also is being suspended on that issue. Anyway, with the people of blessings of people of Karnataka, we would come back to power. We came to power and we are doing our best. Now in the parliament election,